Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to see your blocked contacts in the Beep application. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that, you should just look at the bottom of your right corner and there you will see the more option. Press on it and here you should select the last option on the page, which is settings, and after that you should select the fourth option in the new page, which is blocked contacts. And here in this page you will be able to see your blocked contacts. You can even add the contact basically in the top of your right corner. You can just search one off there basically and add it here, or you can just add it like normally, and all of the blocked contacts will be in this page basically. So pretty much this is all about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.